After a successful registration has been confirmed, the function perform registration takes care of mobility management and GPRS mobility management procedures. These serve for authentication, registration of the user equipment's location, and for checking the user equipment's capabilities. If registration fails, the user equipment returns to status OK to register, network selected, or radio access mode technology selected, depending on the reason for the failure. In the state ready for service, the user equipment is ready to send or receive data after a successful registration. To remain in this state, it must periodically inform the network of its location. With the function perform deregistration, the user equipment logs off the network and returns to the switched off state.